Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Play Store error. Please open my apps and establish connection with the server. Open Google Play Store. Click Profile. Click Settings. Click About. Click Play Store version. You will get a message that tells you if the Play Store is up to date. Tap Got it. If an update is available, it will automatically download and install a few minutes. Click Settings. Click Apps. Click App Management. Click Play Store. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Data. Then click OK. Now you try to download the software from the Play Store. Thanks for watching.